The page to page number 22. Work with your friend. What will you do to help Zara? We must share our things with others. We can make them happy and we can be happy too. Yes, if your friend is in need or in any problem, then you have to help that friend or share your things. Now we come to grammar part. Look at these words and pictures. A girl, a cat, an ice cream, an owl. We use a and an with a naming word. What are naming words? Girl, cat, ice cream, owl. To show that there is only one of something. One girl, so a girl. One cat, so a cat. An ice cream, one ice cream. An owl, one owl. A bucket, bucket means balti, a bucket, एक ही bucket, an orange. Now why a is used here and an is used here? Because with vowels, you always use an. So on top you write there are 5 vowels. I taught you in the previous chapter, there are 5 vowels. Write A, E, I, O, U on top clearly like this. Now words using these vowels. Now with A you write an apple, with E an elephant, with I an ice cream, O an owl, U an umbrella. So all these are the vowel words. That is why an is used with them. And what are the rest of the words called? They are called consonants. So we use an with words that begin with the sounds that A, E, I, O and U. So these are our vowels. Okay. We use A with words that begin with all other sounds. What are all other sounds? Consonants. Understood? Now write A and N before these words. First one is done for you. An ox, a horse, an artist, a parrot, an onion, an ant, a rabbit, a school. Tick write the correct word to complete these sentences. Amar has a cricket bat. Mrs. Sharma has an umbrella in her bag. So underline it and tick mark also. Third one, there is an alligator in the river. Underline an and tick mark also. Fourth, I have a red spade and an orange bucket. So you underline and tick mark and an you underline and tick mark. Fifth one, there is a picture of an ostrich on the wall. Now an is used because O is vowel here. An is used because O is orange here. An is used because A alligator. Got it? 5 vowels. Now we come to vocabulary. Match the feeling with action. Use the words from the box. This help box is given. You have to use those words here according to the feelings. Shilpa is laughing. She is happy. वो खुश है इसलिए वो हंस रही है, laughing. Second, Geeta wants something to eat. She is hungry. भूख लगना उसको बोलते हैं hungry. Third, Nitin is not well. He is ill. वो बीमार है. He is not well. Fourth, Peter is crying. He is sad. दुखी. Fifth one, Sarah wants to rest. She is tired. वो थक गई है, tired. Now look at the picture, then circle the objects that you hear about. Sun, kite, ball, fish, rope. You do the skipping with rope. Okay, now turn the page. Now we come to page 24, writing section. Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Now these are the jumbled words. So you have to make the correct sentence. The park Harry and Tina visit. Harry and Tina visit the park. One is done for you. Now second one, play on the swing. This you have to do very carefully. They play on the swing. Got it? They pe you can put number 1. Play pe you can put 2. On 3, 4 and 5. They play on the swing. Do it this way. Put numbers on top and do. Okay. Third one. Suman from the swing pushes Harry. Suman pushes Harry from the swing. So Suman 1 pushes 2. Harry 3 from 4. The 5 and swing 6. Now next is fourth one. Harry his leg hurts. Harry hurts his leg. So Harry 1 hurts 2, his 3 and 4 leg. So Harry hurts his leg. Fifth. Next day plays the with no one Suman. The next day no one plays with Suman. So the capital will come, okay? You have to see that first letter should be capital of a sentence. So the will be first because there are 2. The next day no one plays with Suman. The next day no one 3 plays 4 with 5 and Suman is 6. Understood? So here we finish the chapter and question answers. I will send you the PDF.